How can guest surveys be leveraged across the entire guest journey?
So with a connection with your property management system, we're able to get feedback from guests at all stages of the guest journey. Pre-stay, we've seen clients harnessing this for market research, even for upsell opportunity, for website experience. In-stay, probably for me, one of the most important digital touch points is the ability to be able to send a survey upon guest check-in or the day after they've checked in, for example. Here you can pick up things that perhaps require a bit of service recovery. In the best of cases, even service excellence as well. Really kind of is that goalkeeper between negative post-stay feedback. Of course, as well, though, for the amount of data and in-depth responses that you get, the post-stay survey is as important as ever. It gives you a detailed insight into the whole guest experience on property.